Welcome everyone. I wanted to make a quick video showing a little bit of the inside of Singularity Computers. And this is something that we haven't done for a long time because really there are just too many secrets to show much at all. And I prefer doing instead of talking, and we're just so busy all of the time. But I also wanted to just briefly touch on the US tariffs in this video because most of our customers are in the US and customers still have questions about the way it works. But this is currently the main Singularity Computers workshop. So everything is made in Australia. We design all of our products, we prototype them, we make them in-house. A few things are outsourced, but most things are made here. Everything is assembled and quality controlled here. And I am actually currently the Singularity Computers machinist. So I run the CNC machines, I do a lot of the production, laser cutting, as well as many other things like, web design, product support, design. Like I'm involved in every design. I actually know every single fastener that is in a Spectre 4 AVM, for example. Like I help with the assembly, pretty much everything, all around. But we do have a team who helps us with the assembly and shipping orders, and we have a big design team. We are very focused on development and design. Like we're constantly developing new products, and we have a lot more planned for the future. And we're always prototyping and testing new things every day. So what happens here at this workshop is the majority of the production, all of the assembly and shipping, and all of the development and design, although some of our designers are also overseas. So I start at 5 a.m. and I finish at 7 p.m. So very long days. And I'm able to also, work with our overseas employees when they come online because I'm just like working all of the time. So the US tariffs, some companies are uniquely affected by this, particularly the companies who manufacture in China and operate in the US. So, they have to bring everything from China into the US and then ship to their customers. So a lot of our industry is like this, and these companies are, affected the most by the tariffs. But being in Australia, we only have a 10% tariffs. And so for US customers, we are able to cover this. And Australia now has a system where you can handle all of the tariffs up front. So for US customers, we deal with customs, we handle the import, we pay the tariffs before the shipment ever even leaves. So this means that it's like the tariffs never even existed. Like things are exactly the same as they were before. And, this is something that I wanted to help customers to understand, because we have a lot of customers constantly asking, like, do I need to pay the tariffs? Will I get charged tariffs on the other end? But none of this actually happens. It did a little bit at the beginning as we were transitioning and adjusting, but now we have a system where we are dealing with US customs almost directly. There's actually an agency in between, but everything goes extremely smoothly and just as it did before. And our shipping prices to the US have actually come down. We received new discounts from FedEx recently, and we were able to put our shipping down. And we're also covering shipping costs for customers around the world. So we actually put a bit towards shipping to help to bring the shipping prices down. We also have a plan in place to begin our own distribution from other countries, starting with Europe. And this will make things a lot cheaper and smoother for the customer. So cheaper and fast shipping and not having to deal with imports and customs. And we still have our great partner in the US, Performance PCs, who we've been working with for close to 20 years now. And there you will find many of our products in stock.